went through Nyungwa today.
Mm.
And it was okay. I normally go through the Spinters Road.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's better that way.
Yeah.
As well, that's bad too.
It's worse in the case.
Yeah. Around the army bases and that, it's sort of being fixed up.
See, our roads are not really smooth. That is why I always this thing up here, because my hand will be shaking.
This is not the worst road I've driven in Ghana. I've had worse.
Which one is the worst that you have?
Probably that road from Yape to Damongo up in the northern region. That sucks.
That is the northern region.
Yeah, but that sucks. That's the worst road.
I thought you was going to say something about.
I came out and I was just red with dust.
And then from Nkoko and Suhum to Nkoko, when you're going to Kumasi, remember?
Oh yeah, that was bad. Yeah, that was. It looked like that mortar bomb.
I don't know whether they have fixed that one now.
Yeah.
Because since then I haven't been to that side.
It looked like there'd been a war on that road. It was just dreadful. But it's bad when you go through that Achimota. If it hasn't changed any, that's terrible. Achimota to sort of just before Nsawam, that was terrible last time, remember?
Yeah.
Have you driven that road since?
No. I think I went to Taifa recently,
Right.
and that was where I got up to.
Right.
I think it's getting better now.
I hope so.
It's becoming
But when they build that big overpass thing and all that, that'll be really good.
yeah, to be really
That'll
good.
be really good.
When there was the change of government came, everything became on hot. They stopped working and all that.
Yeah.
I think they have now started again.
Yeah.
So Rita, what do you do when you go on vacation?
Just home.
You just stay at home?
Yeah.
Okay. I do take people for services.
Really?
Yeah, so if you are interested anytime, you can just give me a call and I'll
I take it
fix
we're
you.
going straight.
What kind of like?
You know, I'm looking for people.
Yeah. Wait, are you a guy?
No, really. Madam.
Ada?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I used to speak your language, but now I can't speak anymore.
Why?
But if you speak it, yeah, I'll
I
understand.
don't really know how to speak it.
Oh, where were you born? Accra.
Yep.
And you've never been to your hometown.
Okay.
That is Accra people for you. They never go to their hometown. I'm one. I go to my hometown once in the blue moon, but it's just here. I'm from Mount Point, Krapi.
I must have food there. I know that.
You know that?
I know.
I know Mount Bomb as well.
Yeah, I know you do. That's why you
I've been to
You
the
know-
Titiquashi cocoa farm.
But I haven't been there. I don't even know.
See, I know Mampong better than you.
Better than you, I
Better
do.
than you.
But that is where I come from.
And the cinema, I know the town hall with the cinema.
Mm.
And on Friday night they show Nigerian films. Very neat town, Mampong, actually. It's quite
Yeah.
neat.
My grandfather is the one who decides who should be a king. So recently we had a new king and they installed him.
You know the wholesaler you showed me the other day?
I'm sorry?
You know the wholesaler you showed me next to Winners Chapel the other day?
Yeah.
What time do they
for
close?
when? 5 o'clock.
Okay.
And so
might
you want us to go there?
quickly go there and have a look. Yeah, I want to see. I might even be able to get the pepperoni I want cheaper there.
Do they even sell that?
Well, I mean, croissants do.
Yeah, questions do, but I don't know. But okay, we'll check.
But croissants are so awkward to get to. It's no wonder they offer a delivery service. It's so hard to get to. And for me to get delivery,
They do deliver.
They
That
want me
is
to
every
buy.
sign.
Yeah, but they want me to buy like 200 cedis worth of pepperoni before they.
Before they will deliver.
They want to sell it by the case, 48 sticks.
Because of what they do. It's quite dark. It's not clear. Have I pressed something off? Maybe it's the weather. Does it look like a new town?
Doesn't look too new.
It looks like an old town.
It's an old town. They should rename it Scam Town.
Shoot, let them hear it and you
Do
see
you know how
what-
many 419 people I get from this area?
In fact, there are a lot.
Oh,
A lot.
tell me.
You know, the guys don't like working. They don't want to
No, they're
work
lazy.
hard.
So
They are lazy. So they always want to find a quick way of getting
So-
money for themselves.
They chop from some western.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And that is what I hate in my life. It's true. Why can't you also work and get your money? Do what you want to do.
Because they're just damn lazy. They should put them in the army.
If those white guys were to be lazy as they are, would they have been gotten that money that they
Don't
are
worry, we
taking?
have a lot of lazy white guys. Don't worry.
Yes, I know, but they don't do this.
We've got plenty of lazy white guys. Yeah, but they're probably not clever enough. These are people that they're not clever enough.
I think I have to travel one day and see what goes on outside there.
When you come to Australia, I'll show you some areas.
I don't want to come to Australia. I want to go to UK.
UK? There?
Yes.
It rains all the time. What do you want? It just
I'm
rains
kidding, don't worry.
all the time. You don't want to go there.
Kidding. Australia is too far, and I know if I get to the
Can I
to
turn
the
it here?
immigration, let me see. Yeah.
Good.
If I get to the immigration, they will tell me that
In fact, there's milk on the bus there.